I totally forgot I started already. Hello, hackers. Let's get our terminal set. Oh, right. Hello and good day. Nice to see you, Mark G. Let me see. Just getting my terminals ready for today. Crap. Just realized I totally... Okay. Crap! Okay. Sorry, I have to redo these freaking paths, which is no big deal. Okay. Now, here is our current issue. My notes are not on this machine, so we will be doing everything from a scratch. Now I just have to remember where this box was at. Oh, that must mean you're not there, right? Ah, there you go. Today will be webcal. This is an intermediate difficulty, so it's not easy. Being cheesy. Sorry for that line there. But hopefully this will be fun. Actually, let me see. Hello. I kind of want to, but I don't know if I should do it in a secondary video or not. But I have put together a pen testing methodology, and I'm currently building a bug bounty methodology because I'm trying to get into that. What I have is a GitHub I'm going to put in the description of my methodologies here. What I'm wondering is if I should do a quick run through on one of the tools that I oops, wrong folder there. one of the tools that I'm currently learning, or here's my GitHub here. If I should include a quick walkthrough one of the tools that I'm learning, or just save that for a secondary video. Whatever your thoughts are, go ahead and leave them in the chat, and then we'll get that done. Get my damn music on. So let me make my new disclaimer that I will be doing on all these videos here, that for the YouTube algorithm, that I am playing YouTube algorithm. Yes, I'm talking to you, not the people in the chat, but to the YouTube algorithm. I am playing music that I produced myself, so there should be zero copyright flags for playing music I made myself. Okay, just having to run through that just in case the YouTube algorithm needs further evidence to that. Yeah, I'm gonna be saying it every couple minutes too, because I don't want to get struck by for playing my own damn music. And without any further ado, all right. Oh, whoops. Box is already starting. My bad. I totally forgot. I didn't see that. So this is going to be interesting. It's going to be a newbie, because we're going to be technically running this from Scratch. Yay! So fun! Alright, let's see if I can get some more people in this stream here by sharing a couple things. Yeah. Da-da. Let me find my style. Yeah, I'm not having a singing career anytime soon. We're trying out for You've Got Pipes, or whatever the hell that show is with the music people in the chairs that spin when you sing good. Yeah, I ain't going on that one. Nope, no. Okay. So give it about another minute here. Relabel that. Take a sip of my hydration fluid. Sorry for expressing my hydration face with that. I just did 2 hours of martial art training yesterday. I did an hour of jiu-jitsu and an hour of kickboxing, and oh my god. No, actually, yeah, Dutch kickboxing. And jeez, everything hurts. Ow. See, just doing that. Ow. Hurts. Ow. What does that sound like? Either James Brown or what was that group name? Roger Troutman or something. I don't know. Did that song Word Out? Word Up. Is it? Living in America. Ow. Owie, ow. By the way, that's the title of my new track that I'll be putting out soon. It's called Owie Ow. Expect that digital on somewhere, just not anything where people make money off of it. Like SoundCloud, I'll just put it on there and have people just check that out. I don't even know if I even like. I don't even know if I should. Yeah, I don't even know if I should put where my music is on here. If you guys want to check it out on your own, feel free to throw it in the chat to do that. Staff. So, oh, it is 2:07. So, let's get it. All right. So we got our IP address from OSPG. This is a machine called WebCal. So let's hack this bad boy from Scrizzy Scratch. Now, as always, we're gonna start with our regular nmap scan. Split this in half. Okay. Place that IP address right there. Let nmap run that. Now, next we're gonna run it with the -p-. And again, the reason why I'm doing it like this is I am using the top one here to scan the top 1,000 ports first. And then down here, the -p- is to fill in the missing pieces where ports that are not in the top 1,000 will be able to see. Then we can simply redo the nmap scan again with all of the scans there, with all of the other ports that we have, and run it that way. The only reason why I don't run the -p- first is because I want to get an overview of what I'm seeing. I want to see what is the basic whatever scan. Somebody will scan something normally, they just use nmap, boom, show me what's on there. Okay, now I will have one of the two choices. Either I can start the enumeration process on these top 1,000, or like while this one here is running, which is something that I also like to do, or wait for this one to finish, which is going to take a while, but by then I could already finish enumerating these ports here to see if I missed something, and then just pick up after that. I don't know if that makes sense, but this is I want to have some kind of momentum going instead of just sitting and twiddling my thumbs. All right, so now that we have these, I'm just going to go nmap sc for save scripts, sv to enumerate versions, OA to fill in the gaps, OA for output all formats, webcal. There. So now we will run regular nmap scan from the top 1,000 using safe enumeration scripts, enumerating the versions of the ports, filling in the gaps with the OS detection and the trace route and the ping, outputting all formats stuff, and then our IP address there. And there's one thing for our directory busting. I want to use both GoBuster as well as because I am learning some new tricks with and I'm really liking it, and I want to throw some more of that, working with that program in my walkthroughs here. Sorry for that hydration face. Alrighty. And let me know if you can hear me, just to make sure that if I'm talking too loud, too low, whatever. Okay, so we have our results up here. Let's run through it pretty quick. All right. PREF TBD on 21. Leave this alone, so none of this matters. We have 25. Domain. Hello, Manish. What up? Let's see. Here's port 80. Construction page. So, copy. All right. Now, First thing I want to do on this main page is view page source to see if anything is hidden in the comments here. So we have our timer, progress bar. Okay, we have an href, which means that we could probably have a redirect somewhere in here. Okay, so nothing out of place in here. Quick message for the YouTube algorithm. Yes, this is music I made myself, so you can get off of my taint. Thank you. So let's continue. Alright, so this is still going. So we have 80. Let's go and do a busting right here. So the first thing we're going to use is go buster. Specifying the directory module, specifying our word list. Dash Q for STFU. Dash. That's for the U for the URL. And our threads are going to be 250. Now for using let us check. I gotta for FUF, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna use FUF, specify the URL, specify the word list. Go right on back here. This is where we'll be using this word list to fuzz. I want to use -C to colorize it. I want to do filter length of 1. And I want to filter code 200. So I only want to see 200s of what domains that I want to get into. So we're gonna let that run. This one's running Go Buster. We already found index. We got another one called send here. All right. Okay, so this is not going to be following redirects. So we got index. Check that. And while this is doing this, we can go over to our Velma scanning. Oh crap. I knew something was wrong. Alright. Okay. Oh, crap it. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so now we're going to scan with Nikto vulnerability scanner here. Okay, so this is done. As we all know, whenever we see server status, the scan's done. And it looks like this found another path here called resource. So let's get rid of this. See what this gives us here. Then we have another one called send. So what are we doing? Alright, so this thing is going right here. How's everyone's weekend going? Hope everyone's having a good day. I finished watching Shang-Chi and Legend of the Ten Rings twice. Yes, yes, yes. Damn it. I said that movie was so damn good, I watched it twice. Well, one because I took one of my kids, and then the other one got jealous, so I had to take the other kid to see it too. So, still a good movie anyway. Definitely dope. Alright, so let's see what's up with this. Okay, so this says not found. All right. See what's up with this send here. All right. So nothing. Let's see if we can read this here. Semel en anno leset en a sinle. I don't know. But this is all that we got. Okay. Damn it. You still ain't finding Jack. Okay. hopefully we get something. All right. So let's see. Let's see what. Well, you have resources, and resources didn't say Jack in that damn thing. Stay hydrated. Making sure you ain't nobody, like, everybody's gonna be okay and stuff. Staying hydrated, always drink water. Or flavored water, whichever. But hydration is always important. Okay. Okay. Uncommon header TCN found on the contents list. Okay. Apache mod modifications and the blah. Appears to be outdated. Allow HTTP methods of the blah. Alright, you still going, damn it? Alright, fine. You have fun over there. So, we got 34 errors from Fuzz Faster Euphoriker. And we have this 301, which brought us to absolutely nothing. Alrighty. Let's check this one out, see if it found anything yet. No, it has not. Damn it. I'm trying to find when I should. See, I don't know how to put together reviews of stuff that I watch and stuff, you know, and I just want to have conversation with stuff like with cool pop culture stuff. So I don't know. I might do like once a week a review on something. You know what I mean? Okie dokie. Ow, my ear. Sorry, I just got a little bit of an itch there. I'm super excited because I get my brand new desktop in today. Yeah! Whew! Damn thing is beast compared to my current laptop. I'm like so happy to get a new freaking desktop, man. Then I'm gonna be working towards getting a Wing Chun dummy and a new TV and my system to go with that. Okay, still scanning here, Nicto right here. Okay, so it looks like this scan is done as well. Again, whenever we are directory scanning and we see server status, don't worry about the error code, but it's like this immediately tells you the scanner is done. So we can just let that end on its own. Okay, dash p dash completed. Got the exact same one, so we're really not missing out on anything. And seeing as though that this just finished, already finished directory busting, and then we're almost done vulnerability scanning. So we've pretty much got the majority of all of our work done in terms of enumeration and of preliminary enumeration. My bad. Wonder how long this damn thing's gonna take. Jeez. So Nicto's only found most recent thing. I just found the header, so it's still scanning here and all that jazz. We got some. Yeah, my week has been like super busy as well. I was supposed to start working on some yeah, Mark, I was supposed to start working on like 2 new virtual machines that I picked up from Vulnhub. But this week went by so damn fast. I barely even had the time to even start them. Let's see what we got. We got web calendar. Says this might be interesting. Okay, so we didn't see this one before. So let's see what this has in it. It doesn't matter about the double slash. Okay, alright. So it looks like we got we have an application as well as a version here. Web calendar. So we're gonna do. Gonna go to exploit here. Then let's split this in half. Let's see what searchsploit finds. And again, when we use searchsploit, we just gotta make small adjustments all the way down until we actually find results. Okay, here we go. We got remote code execution. Sorry. Looks like this will work. And whenever we have, we get a result that we want to analyze further from searchsploit, we simply type in searchsploit. We have to be in the folder that we're going to be working it off of. -m to mirror. And meaning mirror the path that's listed here in the path and copy it to our current path. So what we're doing, we're mirroring this path and putting it into our webcal folder. So just to show, as we see here, this is not here. But then when we do put it here, when it's done taking its sweetheart's time. Thank you. Now, here it is. So now it's here. All right. So let's see what it is and what it does. Okay. So vulnerable code is in this path here. So how does this work? All right, save setting the files. Blah, 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 true. Blah, 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 America, New York. Vulnerable code that to LFI in preferences.php. Okay. So what do? Input password through here. It's probably set. Okay. So web calendar. So we have to put the host address with the path here. Host path. Okay. So. Oh, crap. Season of. Oh, duh. I was gonna say I forgot. I didn't see what code it was in, but it's in PHP 3. So we have this. Now we have to take this path here. Okay. Paste that. Oh, crap. Hold up. Alright, so now it tells us how to properly do it. So, okay. Here we go. Alright. So, what do we got? We got a show, right? Okay. We have a listing here. Okay. We are www data. Now, what is, let's close this tab. What is always our next step if we have a restricted shell? We have to get an actual shell. So let's look up, actually hold up. Let's look up these reverse shells here. All right, so let's take this. Okay, put our IP address there, 4242. Let's copy this here. Okay. So now we have our entire reverse shell script. That is, I'll just paste it here. Okay, so we have our entire shell script that's here, right? And that's what we put in. That's what we set up in here. This is the hack tools file. This is the hack tools extension here for Firefox. So what we did, which is put in our IP, what port we wanted to connect to, and it auto-generated this here. All right. So as always, whenever we're dealing with reverse shells, we're going to go netcat-nlvp to listen on port 4242 for both. Listening on any of that. So now we hit enter. And now we should get our shell here. Okay, flip mode squad. It did not work. Damn you. Alright, so we're going to try it a different way. Okay. Attention, YouTube algorithm. I am again playing songs that I created myself. Thank you. And apparently it looks like this hack tools, it ain't working what it's supposed to. And if this thing will open, I'll be so excited when I get my new computer today. I'm just like, oh. So tired of this crap. Alright. Okay, let's try this again. Paste this. Now we have our reverse shell. Good. Alright. Again, we're www data, so it doesn't matter at this point. And our first step, looks like that we may have a couple more people in the stream today. Go ahead, viewers, say hello. Nice to meet you. Okay. So, let's now begin with our privesc. And since this is Linux, we're going to need linps. Oh, duh. IP's right there, stupid. Alright. Now, we're going to use the Python HTTP server from Python 3, so we don't have to type all that much. We're going to set it to port 80. Okay. And now it's on port 80. So now we simply use wget. Whoops. Nope. First thing we always got to do, always navigate to the temp folder first before we do anything. So now that we're here, we can run wget 192.168.49.128. Right. We don't need to put a colon port number because we're only going from port 80. Okay. So we got linps already in here. Now another thing that we can do is utilize this command here to also find permissions where we can take advantage of. Gonna use the find/.perm, not referencing my hair, and type F2 dev null. Okay, so we will see this similar output like in when we run linps. So let's take this here, copy that, put this in our booty pocket. Okay. Give execute permissions to linps. Run linps. Okay, we can close this one out because we don't need it no more, or not for right now. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, this is doing the IMCP. This one always takes the longest. I don't know why. So let's see if it prints. So here. So here it looks like that we have some additional ones that were not. So here we have a shorter list as opposed to the full list. But the reason why I'm also doing it like this is because I want to find standards and something that's so I can have it in my head for what I'm supposed to see, as well as stuff that I'm not supposed to see. So this is basically a list of everything with special permissions in it, but these contain ones that we can take advantage of. We may or may not be able to. So I like having to see this back and forth here, so I can see. All right, a machine like a target should normally have this, and this, but it should not have something like this or this. Which, if I'm not mistaken, they're not in here. No, they are not. So that's also like new and good information. That the linps is a hell of a lot more pinpoint accurate with what we can take advantage of, and these are just standards here that we obviously can't do anything with. Okay, so that's done. That's done. And this one is ICM, still on that damn ICMP. Okay. I didn't know about that. There's new input that I was not aware of. Thank you very much for that update. I'm gonna look into that. The only issue that I've had with Docker is that when I would use Docker, I could no longer use my VM, and it turned into this enormously annoying back and forth where if I wanted to get my virtual machine to work, I had to not have Docker installed, some weird like that. But it had me racking my brain for about 2 weeks. But I'll try it again. All right, what else we got? Damn it. I cannot scroll. Screen is frozen. Don't you just suck an elephant's left testicle? Come on, buddy. See, again, this is why I'm excited that my new desktop is coming in today. I'm like, I'm so excited. So I don't have to deal with this crap anymore. Until I have to update it again. Let's see. Nothing out of place. Yeah, what is that? Okay, those are just .dat files. What else do we have? Stuff. Nothing else. Okay, so we got these. So now we'll see. We're gonna need something to compile to do this right here, as well as an application that's in C, I believe, that we can use make on. So let us check. What site are we checking? We're gonna be checking get the fuck out of here, Bins. Woo! Looks like a mini workout just to say that. All right. We have the get your ass out bins. We had GCC and we had make. So what do we got? Make. All right. So this says that we could probably get a shell. Okay. Let's try that out. Paste that command right there. No! Alright. Alright, so that didn't work. Let's try. Here we go. We have another one. No! Okay. What is our next step? So obviously these binaries did not work. We cannot break out of a shell. So our next move is to look to do two things. One, gather our kernel info to possibly use a kernel exploit. Put that in our booty pocket. Next up. Right. Let us have a backup plan and utilize this. So let's go back to our Python 3 HTTP server. Click that. And we changed the default port from 8000 to 80. So we changed this port to from 80. Yes, ma'am. I am scrolling. Which is a different version to the Limp Bizkit song, which are the most destructive, dangerous, and most irritating band in the 90s. I'm scrolling, because there's a lot of data that I'm going through. And through. I'm just going to keep moving. Alright. Right. So we have our Python 3 HTTP server. Let's get our wget, and damn, I forgot my IP address, so let's fix that problem right now. 128 slash Windows exploit suggester. Make this executable. Run it now. What do we have? Hold up. I see some yellows. So, what is us? This says, I don't know if this said, wait. I seriously thought that said mind pepper. I was gonna freak out for a second there. It's like, really? Mind peppers? Alright, but this says mind dipper? No. Mimpo dipper. What? Mimpo? What the hell's a Mimpo dipper? Like a new ice cream or some crap? All right, so let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. All right. Okay, Linux local root exploit. So this is a C file, and it should have a command to build this out in here, which it does not. Let's see. Trying to look for the manual, which you don't have. Okay, did this block creator put the dang instructions for doing this in here? Okay. Memo dippers. What do we do? Thank you for telling us what it is, but how do we compile it? Run in it. What? Ahaha! Here we go. Thank you. So, let's copy this. Put that into our booty pocket. Booty, rocking everywhere. Alright. Where we at? Okay. I wonder if I have Pico in this thing. Mod Ripper? What? Momo Booty Bump? What? What was that called again? Mempo Dipper. Ah, no! Okay. Cut. Okay. Crap. Let's get this. Okay. Thank you. X. Okay. Alright. Okay, we are still in the temp folder. wget. What? mempodipper.c. Right. 49.128 on port. Oh! Okay. Now we see what happened. Alright. Copy this. Hey! What up? No worries, no worries. I'm just almost completing this here. Yeah, if you want me to start from scratch, I could do that. Yeah, just go ahead and yeah, I'll fill in. Actually, let's start from the beginning. now that we have info, this is gonna go by fast. All right, so so EHAB, basically what we got is that we ran our nmap scan both with the top 1000 ports and then with -p-. Obviously we didn't get anything different from here. We found that there's pure FTPD is open. We also found port 80 is open. So we did perform directory busting. We only found these two, as well as with GoBuster, as well as this one additional path with Fuzz Faster You Fool. That's the name of the application. And so we didn't find anything, so we went to Nikto next. And with Nikto, what it found was crap. I just got rid of it. Totally forgot I did that. What it found was a path to here, web calendar, which is right here. So this is what Nikto found that our directory busters couldn't locate. So after we found that, we saw that there was the software name and the version. We looked up Searchsploit. So we had to edit the Searchsploit in the application in order to filter results and give us something here. And here we found this exploit here. We grabbed it and mirrored it to our folder right here with searchsploit-m to mirror this path and put it to the folder that we're currently in. So I did a compare and contrast where originally this was not here. We have these regular scan files, right? I ran searchsploit-m to mirror that exploit, and now there it is. So what the exploit did was that it was a remote code execution of a vulnerable file in the web calendar directory. So we ran the application, PHP, specified the exploit name, specified the host and the web calendar path, which is what was required. We ran it. We got ourselves a temporary shell. I tried to use the Python reverse shell from the Hack Tools extension, but it sucked. So I had to use this other one here from Payload All the Things here to get a better reverse shell, which we got one here. I did another compare and contrast of finding permissions via a regular command, the find command, and we got these as results. After I uploaded linps, we got these results. So this is a good comparison on what should be normal and what should not be normal, right? Now, none of these worked. The only two that were out of place were these two, GCC and make. We tried using both binaries to break out of a shell. Neither one of them worked. So I looked up the actual kernel version with uname-a, and that tried to look for no, sorry. We ran Linux exploit suggester which is this is from the output of that. We uploaded Linux exploit suggester, gave it via wget right here, and we ran and we gave it execute permissions. We ran it, and this was the output from that, where it showed that this mempodipper. Yeah, this is like, yeah, linpeas is dope. Linpeas is definitely dope, and that's why I like it. There is another one, but it doesn't colorize it. It's the Linux Smart Enumeration. That one, it doesn't like have colorized output, so to make it easy to keep track of stuff. So I just pulled this file here, saved it. I just pulled this file here and brought it over to uploaded it to the target right here. So now we got to run a command. Oh, nope. Sorry. So now got to run this command to compile this application. Okay, no errors. Let me see how we run it. Okay. Okay. Executing SU with shellcode. Okay, all right. What do we have? Yes! That's what I'm talking about. We are now root. Root, baby. Sorry, I just had to do that. All right, so now we are root. Dang right. All right, so now we can go in anywhere. Yay. All right, we have our local.txt. Let's see if we can read that. .txt. No, I'm not doing that. Next one, we got root here. And there's our proof. Okay. I ain't doing that neither. No. So, with 0 errors at all, we've successfully burned through this whole machine, from initial scan all the way up to kernel exploitation. This with pretty much streamlined here. I wasn't expecting that. I'm pretty shocked myself. Woo! Feeling a little hot. Yowza! So I guess this was definitely good. Wasn't as intermediate as I thought. Thought it was going to be more difficult than that, but no, it was just going like it was. This is basically like my methodology whenever I do this stuff. Whereas this is my mental process that I go through here, which is I got to scan. I have to do directory busting, but then also running Nicto in the background. So it can find whatever I can't find here. Found it, found an exploit, was able to get a shell, got a reverse shell with Python. Then it's all right. Run linps. What can we take advantage of and what can we not? So we found that none of the available binaries that were out of place, they didn't work. So go straight to kernel. So what do we do for the kernel there? We find an exploit there, and then boom, bam, bip. We made we can root a machine pretty damn easy. So yeah, this was like less than an hour of doing that, and what I also wanted to do, I might as well just go do it now. Let's do a quick bug bounty tip that I want to do. I was recently learning about XSS Strike. And I lost my train of thought, my bad. And I want to run through some stuff on here because I want to show off what I've learned with this dang old thing so far. So I don't think I have way back URLs either on this thing. Let's go and see. Hella! Bum 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 bum. Oh, I am gonna try for either the end of this year to retake my OSCP exam, or early next year. One of the biggest problems that I had was buffer overflows, but when I did my buffer overflow module, when I finally just sat there and just went through it, buffer overflow was easy. It was easy, meaning that if I took it again, I could pass it. That's kind of like what my confidence is at with that joint, which is like, with what I've done so far with these boxes, and then with these like walkthroughs and live streams and stuff like that, I could pretty much ace that thing. So yeah, I'm gonna plan on retaking that joint at the end of the year. So yeah, let's do a quick yeah, good. I didn't close it. All right, cool. Okay, so what I want to do is, okay, all right, cool. So what I want to do here is copy this. It's okay, take your go-getting time as you go get this damn program that I want. Sorry for having my finger all the way in the damn camera, all in your personal space. My bad. Okay. Oh yeah, right. Okay, so we already got the access strike set. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is show some hang on. I'm losing my train of thought all over the damn place, man. Okay. Let's take this URL. Okay. All right. What the? Beep. What the? Okay. Okay, damn it. Hang on a second. I almost got it. I almost got the dang thing. It's... just gonna find... I'm just gonna get this raw script instead. Okay, wget. Let's just take this file here. Okay. Wayback URLs. Crap. Hold up. Oops. Nope. Ah! No, dang it! Stop it. Okay. Let me take this here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's see if we have it. Okay, we have Wayback. Oh, you suck balls. Okay. Try this damn thing again. Alright. Ah, come on! Okay, so it looks like I'm doing this incorrectly. So... Wayback URLs. Other three payback URLs. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, so let's cat Wayback. Found nothing. Okay! Alright, dang it. Hang on one second. Let's just do it like this instead. Nope. Too big. All right. So, Ehab, did you have any other questions? Yeah, feel free to go ahead and throw them in the chat, man. Like anybody, like everybody who's in live stream, yeah, feel free to ask whatever questions that you guys want. All right, this one's going. Matter of fact, hold up a second. Let's not do it like that. Let's see if we could just get... screw this crap. Screw this crap. I'm just gonna do this instead. Where is my GitHub at? I'm gonna pick a rando. Yeah, no. Yeah. Where's my damn GitHub at? Okay, let's just grab my GitHub. Alright, here goes my GitHub. Let's run this against this here. Okay. Alright, so what I want to go over real quick is XSS Strike. Because I've started to really kind of like this thing. And I really want to show you guys what all I could do with it. Let me go back to the... Okay. Okay. So, if we have a list of URLs, we would use the seeds flag. So if you have a wayback, but it works on wayback URLs. We have to have like the actual URLs themselves. to feed into XSS Strike so it can go through each one of those file extensions and fuzz them with parameters. Also, in terms of fuzzing, what we could do is specify U for the URL. We have, and we're going to use this target one here, 168.128.37, right? And we can set this one. We don't have the page yet. Let's find one. Here we go. All right, we're gonna focus on this one right here. All right, get this in quotes. Okay. Run this with the params flag, and this will dig this link to find available parameters that it would have that we can do stuff with. Okay, nothing there. Next one, if you want to crawl this site here, simply do this, run crawl, and it'll crawl that path to see what it can find. Now, with we don't have a parameter, so we don't have something like this here. If we did, we can use this module here, the fuzzer, to fuzz this parameter right here. See? To see what it can find and to see if they're legit or not. As we see, it's going through filter, test, filter. It's checking what filters we can use to attack this as far as XSS is concerned. Next up is going to be if we do have a parameter, right, and we do have something in it like 1, 2, 3, we can use this. No, we cannot use fuzzer. We use the crawl, right, and blind XSS. We put our XSS URL there, and then it'll crawl this URL, and it'll crawl this URL, and test the parameters to see if there's anything vulnerable there, and it'll try to inject our blind XSS payload into there. So that is something new that I have learned because I'm trying to get good at this bug bounty stuff, and I'm slowly getting it, which is dope. But other than that, is there any other questions or concerns for anyone in the chat? We are done early. Free Ray Rapper early. I think that's how he says it. Why did my face look like I was constipated? Or that's sliced alone? Which one? Wait, so everybody out here, which one is which? There's the constipation, and then there's a Sylvester Stallone. Aren't they one and the same? Just the pitch in my vocals was different. Does that? Anyone else notice that? Maybe it's just me, my weird old brain. Correction, it is me and my weird old brain. My bad. All right. Well, I like this thing. I'm really liking this a lot. It's mad dope, mad dope. But all right. I mean, if there's no other questions or anything like that, we can go ahead and end it hither. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay updated on future content. Go ahead and leave a comment if you guys have a question. Feel free to hit me up on my Twitter, which is @ShyRonin. I can place this in the chat. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Place this bad boy in the chat right there. Alright. Guess that's it for today's stream. Thank you for joining me. I had a great time. I hope you did too. Alright. I am your boy, the humble hacker from Chicago, ShyRonin, and I am out.